how to verify your mobile phone number, your cell phone number, and your email address on your Roblox account. Once you verify your email address and a mobile number with your Roblox account, in the future, if you do forget your password or username, you can ask Roblox to allow you to verify who you are by using your mobile number and your email address. So let me show you how you do that. Okay, so if you go to roblox.com and log in, okay, and once you're on the main page, on the right hand corner, top right hand corner, there's a gear icon. Click on that and then click on settings. Okay, so once you've come here, you'll see here where it says account information or info, phone number, there's no number added, and email address, there's no email address added. So you want to click on add phone. So here, click the country that you're from and then enter your number and then just verify your account password and then add the phone. Okay, so what's going to happen now, it's going to send you a 6-digit code. Verify it. Okay, once it's verified, it will show you here that it's no longer in red, it's all in black, and it will tell you that it's verified. And then now enter your email address and then verify password, add email. Email address has been added. Just click on OK. So now what you want to do is that you want to verify the email address. So go to your inbox. So mine is with Gmail, so I'm going to go to my Gmail, and then there's a little verify email button. Click on that, and it says thank you. So it takes you to Roblox and it says thank you. All right, go to that, go to the tab where you were originally trying to verify your email address. Just refresh it, and congratulations, you have verified your account with both your number and your email address. So in the future, if you do ever lose your password or username, you can always ask Roblox to help you get back into your account using your number or your email address.